What is up, everybody? Hope everyone is doing well. Today, in this video, I will be riding to the Panerai watch factory. So, I am not sure how to pronounce their the name Panerai, or more like Panerai. That that kind of sounded like Borat. Panerai, very nice. I like. How much? Okay, yeah. So Panerai, it's an Italian watchmaker. So maybe it's actually the way I pronounce it, Panerai. So yeah, I will tell you just a bit about their history and show you the building once we get there. I haven't ridden in a while. It's been such bad weather here. Always raining. Today is fairly decent. It was still raining a bit this morning, but temperatures have risen, so it seems pretty dry. And hopefully the road that leads to the Panerai factory will be dry as well, because I hate riding in the wet because I'm scared. Okay, so Panerai, what is Panerai? So it's an Italian watch company, as I have already said, which was basically created in 1860 by Giovanni Panerai in Florence, Italy. Here will be some good exhaust sound. Yay! Okay, yeah, so founded in 1860. That's when Giovanni Panerai opened his small watch. It was like a watch repair shop, mostly. And from then on, he basically built his way up, I guess. And lots of road markings and road works going on now that it's good weather. Everyone's been waiting for some decent sun. Gotta watch out for the speed here. There's a speed camera not too far away. Don't want to get a nice picture of myself taken. Not because I don't like pictures, but because they're pretty expensive here in Switzerland. In town, 1 kilometer over is 40 Swiss francs. So I'd rather take the pictures myself. Now they're putting the 30 zones all over the place. Here we have the castle of Valangin, small castle here. You can rent it for events, I think, like if you get married or something. And here will be the beginning of the nice twisty road to Panerai. So, back to the history. You gonna stop or... Okay. Back to the history. So, yeah, started in 1860, then he built his way up, and I believe in 1916, that's when shit got serious, and they started developing the radio mirror. How do you say it? Thing? Well, I don't know how to say. But basically, that's when they started developing the coating that was made of radium, I believe. So it was bright. And so that was the start of it. And I believe in the 1930s or something like that, Panerai was mandated by the Italian Marines or basically the army to build watches for them, and that's when it really got going, and they up until the 70s, I believe, or something. Well, in the 1930s, I think that he was mandated to make watches for vehicles, and then in the 40s, more like wrist watches for the military. And up until I think the 70s or something, Panerai was like the army watch, the go-to army watch of Italy. And then Panerai was bought in 1997 by the Richemont group, and from then on they started making other watches for like the general public. Nice mini. And here we are at the Panerai factory. So that's once they were bought by Richemont, they made the factory here in Neuchatel. So here it is. Here's the entrance. Gonna try to turn around without dying. I'll stop here on the sidewalk for a sec. So yeah, here's the factory. You can see people working. You can see the nice facade, or whatever you call it. So yeah, that was the factory. And a quick little addition. As I said, it was in the beginning it was made for the Royal Italian Marines, and and during the Second World War, and then up until the 70s, and up until then, those watches were protected by the military secret, so their building and whatnot. So they weren't. The manufacturing was protected. That's what I'm trying to say. So there we go for Panerai. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.